Right, so it's actually 4 degrees in England, Greater Manchester. So before we do this, I've been for a 15-minute drive just to, yeah, that's a lot warmer now. This is where the breather goes on the HDI 1.6. Now I'm changing this, it only costs £7. I'm changing this because I was finding a lot of oil in the turbo, which you do get a bit of oil in the turbo, but also into intercooler down here, and also the throttle. So I'm going to see if anything's coming from the, let's have a look at here, the head unit. There's a lot of oil down there as well. I'm just going through bits, bit by bit, and I'll video them and show you how to go about it. Now that's, if it was summer I wouldn't have bothered, but it's still good to do a 10-15 minute drive. That's nice and warm now, so it'll be more pliable. And all we're going to need is a tie wrap, or a wrap tie, zip tie, and use a Stanley blade to take the burrs off, take the tie wrap bit off. There's still a bit on there, but you want to make it as thin as possible. So what you want to be doing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need 6 of these, not too long. 1, 2, 3, 6, and 1 for spare. Get our screwdriver and have one ready, and as you prise, stick the tie wrap piece in. Do that one. Side so you can see. Oh, it's tough. Being careful not to snap. There's one. Just a bit more. The thinner you have the tie wrap, hairline cracking that there, the better. You don't have to prise them open as much. There you go, it's coming. Sort of. I just don't want to, it doesn't want to come that one. That one's good, that one's good. Got that one. So what I've got there, 3. Suppose if we get a side, if we do this, then we can prise from this side. We don't have to do them all. Let's see if we can get this one. Without it snapping. That's a bit thick. The ends of these, if you had 4 to 6 of them, the ends are a lot thinner. There we are. The ends are a lot thinner. So we've got this side covered and there's two there. Shall we try and prise up now? Let's get the hook. That's going to fall apart. Oh, we've cracked one, but I can live with that. I can live with that. I will pick one up. Maybe if I got the engine warmer, that wouldn't have happened. I think that one's on its way as well. It should be a lot easier to put on. I want to see what damage has happened there. Yeah, we've lost one grip there. That shouldn't be too bad, but I will pick a new one up in the future. Now this doesn't look, looking at it, it doesn't look too bad, to be honest, but it's going to get changed. It is quite thin compared to the new one. There's some oil in there, which is fine. There's the spring. You can actually get the replacement, will come with the head, so you'll get the head, the breather and the spring. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to open that spring up a bit, just renew it in a way. It's under all that tension. Keep the oil in there, spring back in, the new breather. It's just good to know that for £15 I'm going all over the engine. Every part I'm taking out, making sure everything's working alright. It's done 150,000 miles. So I've put a new time belt on. I will be putting, I've had a look at the drive belt, and the drive belt is absolutely shocking, as the time belt was. So I'll be doing that in the next video. Just make sure that's gone on okay. This will keep it down. Get all them back in. She goes down firmly. Probably find that my oil pressure isn't the best now, but we'll sort that out soon. I'll get one ordered. Just want that one to click in. Right, so there's no oil coming out of it, and now I know that has been changed. Right, so thanks for watching, and yeah, please like and subscribe, comment, or if you know any other tricks to getting this nightmare of a fitting off. I think that's why they do it as a package. You know, you can buy the full package for about £15, and I would advise you to snap it off and put the breather in. But if you want to have a chance, I would warm the engine up a bit more. Go for about a 20-minute drive, 30-minute drive, and a thinner screwdriver as well would help out. I think the screwdriver might have been a bit do as many, you don't have to do the full circle, just get the majority, leave 2 that are clamped down, and just get the majority with tie wraps behind, and then pull, and you can lever it over there. Alright, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Small channel, trying to get some subscribers in. With feedback, some feedback would be great. You know, there's a lot of mechanics out there that have been doing it years and will know little tricks and stuff like that. So that's what I'm trying to show, just for people that don't really get themselves involved in cars, and it's all about saving that little bit of money with the way the world is nowadays. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See you on the next one.